Hey there! Today we've got an interesting problem to tackle. So, the problem we're facing involves a C source code snippet that, when compiled, generates assembly code with seemingly unnecessary stack instructions. The code is creating room on the stack for data that is already stored in registers. It's quite puzzling, isn't it? Now, let's dive into the solution for this puzzling issue. The key here is a missed optimization bug in the GCC compiler. The code snippet provided shows a more optimized version generated by Clang, which skips the unnecessary stack-related instructions present in the GCC output. By focusing on the specific assembly code snippet shown, we can see how Clang manages to optimize the code to eliminate the needless stack handling by using registers efficiently. In summary, we've uncovered a missed optimization bug in the GCC compiler that results in unnecessary stack instructions being generated in the assembly code. By comparing it to the optimized version produced by Clang, we can see how the issue can be resolved to generate more efficient code. I hope you found this exploration of the problem in solution insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!